Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure
Well,
to be here with you.
it's a pleasure to see you, and welcome to Bale Bale
Likewise.
Magazine's Conversations.
Thank you. Thank you.
अच्छा, पहले तो आप ये बताओ कि ताजमहल किसने बनवाया?
ताजमहल किसने बनाया? शाहजहां?
नहीं, आप गलत बोल रहे हो। आपने इंस्टाग्राम की रील पे बोला था कि क्यों सही नहीं बना क्या? So, by now you know I have stalked
Okay, okay.
you. Okay, so you
Okay.
were born and brought up in Bihar, right? और फिर
Yes, yes.
धीरे धीरे एंड मुंबई का ये सफर शुरू हुआ। तो अभी भागलपुर से, बिहार से किस तरह की जो यादें हैं वो ताजा हो जाती हैं? जब भी कोई मेमोरीज आप बिहार के बारे में सोचते हैं तो वो कौन सी मेमोरी है जो सबसे पहले माइंड में आती है?
मेरी स्कूलिंग वहां से ही हुई है, तो मुझे
जी।
स्कूल की जो मेरी मेमोरीज है बहुत अच्छी हैं। बहुत अच्छे खूबसूरत पल हमने बिताए हैं वहां पे। और मतलब मैं एक्चुअली आई वाज बोर्न इन भागलपुर, बट
जी।
देन व्हेन आई वाज इन द 6th स्टैंडर्ड वी मूव टू पटना। तो
ओके।
एक्चुअली हम मेरी ज्यादा मेमोरीज तो पटना की ही हैं, उसके पहले की बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, उतनी याद नहीं है, मगर इतना बस याद है कि हाँ वहाँ पे हम लोग हमारा होटल था, तो हम लोग होटल के नजदीक में रहते थे और वहाँ से स्कूल जाती थी। और बस नॉट टू मच, बट या माय ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स वर स्टेइंग देयर। बट
ओके।
वहाँ मैं शाई टाइप की लड़की थी। मेरे अंदर मतलब काफी एक हमेशा से बचपन से ही रहा है कि कुछ करना है मुझे जिंदगी में।
जैसे आप
तो समवेयर
श्रीदेवी की
आई
मूवीज देखते थे बहुत ज्यादा बचपन में।
सॉरी
आप
मैं
श्रीदेवी की
श्रीदेवी की,
मूवीज
यस यस
बहुत देखती थी बचपन में, तो उनकी कौन सी मूवी
यस
आपकी
यस
सबसे
यस
ज्यादा फेवरेट है?
मुझे चांदनी बहुत पसंद थी।
चांदनी।
चांदनी मूवी थी। और उसके पहले मुझे एक्चुअली आई थिंक इट वाज बिफोर चांदनी और आफ्टर, आई डोंट रियली रिमेम्बर, बट आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड dancing on her numbers from Nagina onwards.
वाह।
Nagina जो मूवी थी उनकी, नगीना, मैं नागिन तू सपेरा, oh god, now I laugh at it, but I was crazy about her and I was crazy about her dance. And I used to just love her. I used to find her so pretty and I used to feel कि
कि
अरे मुझे
मुझे
भी
भी
हीरोइन
ऐसे
बनना है, तो
बनना
मुझे उनके
है
जैसा ही
जी।
बनना है। या
लेकिन फिर
वो तो
आपने
सपना रह गया, हीरोइन।
नहीं नहीं, आप तो एक हीरोइन ही हैं। और जेडी फैशन एंड डिजाइनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से आपने फैशन डिजाइनिंग की, तो ये एक्टिंग का कीड़ा तो बचपन से था, फिर ये फैशन डिजाइनिंग में ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसे? फैमिली की तरफ से और फिर या फिर फैशन में भी शुरू से इंटरेस्ट था?
नहीं, फैशन, आई वाज फैसिनेटेड विद फैशन।
ओके।
एक्चुअली हम लोग बिहार में रहते थे, तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड
या
यू नो जो जो वहाँ का जो बहुत देसी तरह से लोग
जी, तो ये
ड्रेसअप करते थे
कैसे
उस समय। तो
इंटरेस्ट आपका
और
डेवलप हुआ?
there was I'll tell you, I used to watch this show called Khoobsurat. So they used to
ओके।
have these very, they used to have every week they were showing some nice designer wear, and they were interviewing some famous designers, and
ओके।
I was very fascinated with all that, and I used to love those models, and I used to love the designer. I used to be There was this designer called Ritu Beri, and Ritu Beri was a very pretty looking designer. तो मतलब मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे बोला तुम हीरोइन नहीं बन सकती, सिंपल सी बात है, तो
अच्छा।
हीरोइन नहीं बन सकती तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? So this was my second option for me, because I was fascinated with fashion and I was fascinated with design, and I felt कि chalo, if I am not allowed to be in front of camera, at least I can be behind the camera. I can be close to the actors. I wanted to design for them, and I wanted to be, working in close connection with in the film industry with all these people. So that was what I was looking at, and that's
और
why
फिर
I just decided.
और फिर उसके बाद
Sorry.
मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस में भी आपने कॉस्ट्यूम्स डिजाइन किए।
Yes.
हाउ वाज
Yes.
दैट एक्सपीरियंस? और किसने, मतलब कैसा लगा जब फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट मिला? किसने सपोर्ट किया?
So actually मेरी शुरुआत हुई थी डिजाइनिंग में. Actually, I was wanting to work for Aishwarya Rai. Okay,
Okay.
I used to find her very pretty, and I felt कि
Obviously.
I really want to work with her.
Hmm.
And so I kind of got her number, and I called up her mother. Means I called up and that number, and her mother picked up the call, and she told me that, see, if you have to work with her, we're okay with it, but you have to speak to the to her manager and all that. So she gave me the manager's number, and that's when I went and I met the manager. I showed him my portfolio and everything, and I said, this is what. So this guy, he met me and he found me like very, like he found my designs, very nice, and he found me very pretty and all. He said, "कि आपको तो कैमरा के आगे आना चाहिए, आप ये सब करो." मैंने कहा, "No, I'm not allowed. So I would rather work as a designer."
Yeah.
So that's when he.
जब आप fashion designer. Yes, please.
Sorry. So that's when he gave me a project, which was another project, not with Aishwarya, but some other project to see how good I am at my work. So I got one movie in which his daughter was the lead in that particular film. So वो मैंने किया, designing किया.
But when you were working as a fashion designer, then you faced some financial crunch also. उसके बाद आपने फिर modeling किया as part time, ना?
So, yeah. So that was after my marriage. So, when I started doing exports and all, and then I did a couple of films, and that's when these guys didn't pay me, and I was in debt, and I had to pay a huge, the bills were piling up, and I had to pay everybody, and I had taken some loan, and all that stuff happened. Everything, all together fell on me, and I was like, I didn't know what to do. So I just thought, that time my first baby was also born. That was after my marriage. My first baby was born, and this is all these things happened. And that's when I asked my husband if it's okay if he gives me the permission to.
Yeah, I wanted to ask some kind of modeling. How supportive your family has been throughout, because after marriage usually every जो women होता है सबका life change हो जाता है, and you have 2 kids also. So
yes, no, that way I've been very blessed. So my parents always said कि जो तुमको करना शादी के बाद करना. तो actually the same thing happened with me कि जो मैंने करना था वो मैंने शादी के बाद ही किया. शादी के पहले वो क्या जो उनको चाहिए था, शादी के बाद वो क्या जो मुझे चाहिए था. So that way I'm blessed because my husband was very supportive.
Wow. अपने cameo roles किए तो कभी ये नहीं लगा कि मुझे एक lead actress, एक lead heroine की तरह काम करना है?
मैं एक्चुअली कहीं ना कहीं मुझे सपने मैंने कहीं ना कहीं भूल चुकी थी अपने सपनों को. तो when I started, I said it was out of need I started, and then my passion for it ignited my inner desires and my passion. And then I said, no, this is what I exactly want to do, and I want to be here, and I want to be here. So every time I worked, it just gave me another push to do something else. But actually speaking, I wanted to, I was a little nervous also. I wasn't too sure if I'm really doing a good job or whatever. So I worked on myself. I started learning the craft and everything.
फिर धीरे-धीरे आपको रेडी भी ऑफर हुई सलमान खान के साथ. Then a shoot out at Wadala with John Abraham. I remember उसकी shooting कसौली में हुई थी, and I'm from कसौली, so people were so excited.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah. तो फिर रेडी जब आपको ऑफर हुई उस टाइम पे ही वो वर्किंग विद सलमान खान जो एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है इंडस्ट्री का, उस वक्त क्या फीलिंग थी?
So I was a little nervous, but I was feeling so privileged and feeling so blessed that I'm working with such big actors, because there's so much I can, I got the opportunity to learn from them, and I was feeling so thrilled. Yeah, and I was very nervous, but yes, I did a good job, so everybody was happy, and I then believed in myself that yes, if I could do this, then I could do more. Amazing, so it was actually again a little push I got, in my life. Ki chalo, I believed in myself. Ki chalo, I can do more. So that's when
So welcome back, ma'am, and sorry we could not complete the interview yesterday due to some technical issues. Okay, so let's continue. Your first known performance was seen in 2010 in CID. तो उसमें तो एक डायलॉग बहुत फेमस है, दया दरवाजा खोल दो. तो आपने भी उसमें एक रोल प्ले किया था, तो उसका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
It was a very nice experience. The team was fantastic. All the all the actors I always looked up to. So I was working with them. It was a great experience. And yeah, I mean, these shows are pretty hectic. So, because back to back, you have, if you're playing a main character, so they're wanting to finish in 2-3 days time because these are episodic. So it was pretty hectic, but I really had a lot of fun. And
sometimes
yeah, great experience.
समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि कभी कभी कुछ मेमोरीज हाईलाइट बन जाती है लाइफ की जो स्टार्टिंग के प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं. सो आपके लिए वो क्या है?
मेरी मेमोरी मैं बताती हूँ. I would say it's like, I mean, I would always like to talk about good memories, and in fact, I've always had a good memory with all the projects that I have worked with so far, especially initially. So I cherish those memories. But there is one incident which I can never forget in my life. That is when I was shooting for this show called. That was again a Balaji show. I did Kasam Se before. It was a cameo. Again, they offered me another one, and again they offered me negative roles. So I was not very pleased with that because I didn't want to get stuck doing negative roles and being called a vamp. So, anyways, I did that show again because there was I was getting an offer from Balaji. So what happened that during the shoot, there was a particular sequence that I had to do where I had to actually, I had to walk past this the lead, and somewhere like I fall down because she bangs into my shoulder like that.
Oh.
And obviously the camera was very close. It was down. They were taking this angle, that angle. So in one particular shot, I fell so badly.
Oh my.
It was a full filmy scene. I just rolled and I fell on the ground, and I tried to. I would say that God saved me, and I got a hit so badly on my nose. Actually, I'm so grateful to God that nothing else got damaged. I could have lost my eyes, or I could have lost, my face would have become really bad, and all those things could have happened. But somewhere it was just on the bridge of my nose, I got this hurt. And though it took me 1 year for it to subside and actually get back on doing work properly. So I did lose a little bit of work, a lot of work in fact in between. I did very little work where they did accept me with whatever faults they saw
because
on my
of
face.
that mark.
But that's not how. Yeah, that mark, I still have it a little bit, but it's not that prominent right now. It's kind of faded away, but there is a little protrusion on my nose, so that I can never forget. But I can only say that it was the hand of God that I got saved, so I'm grateful to God for that.
Okay, so as you mentioned that I didn't wanted to be a vamp. So sometimes what happens is कि कुछ artists after doing serials they prefer doing movies because ultimately सबको चाहिए कि वो एक as lead actor काम करे. But as you did lot of movies, तो उसके बाद serial में आना आपको कभी नहीं लगा कि शायद ये मेरे career के लिए एक अच्छा step ना हो? So उसके पीछे क्या reason था?
See, there are two things to look at it. Ek to I was not doing lead roles. I was doing character roles, important roles. So what happens, अगर आप, मेरा तो ये मानना है, या तो lead करो या तो अगर आपको and I always like to do important roles. It has to be a primary character. I never like to do a secondary character. So I was looking at something very substantial. So what happened that even after my films, after doing feature films, the kind of roles that I was getting was mostly not that meaty. So for me, if I have to be seen on screen, it has to be prominent. So since films were not offering me those kind of roles afterwards, so I just thought it's better to switch to a smaller medium. It's like TV actors are so popular today. They become a household names, and they are the kind of popularity, the kind of fame, the kind of recognition, the kind of love all these actors they receive from the audience. It's commendable. It's really commendable. So I just thought, why not then doing TV, because TV can give me that kind of platform where I can showcase my talent and my potential. I can use my potential to the optimum, and hence I moved to TV.
Okay.
And actually 5 years back only, on a serious note, because before that, even though I decided to move to TV, the kind of roles again that was being offered, I had both this from both the mediums. I was somewhere not getting that kind of offers that would really I would jump and take it. So
Okay.
that's the reason. Even for TV, I had to wait for a very long time. All the only thing that was being offered to me was negative roles, vamp roles, and
Because
gray
you
shades
had
and all
already
that.
done something like that before.
Yeah, and my kind of personality, like now you see me in choti and bindi and all
Yeah.
that, but normally,
Hmm.
when people saw me as a normal Jaswinder, so they always thought ki अरे glamorous है,
Yeah,
इसको तो इसमें ही
true.
डालो. But I always feel
Hmm.
so I always felt no, I'm not just about a glamorous person, a glamorous woman. I'm more than that, So I have potential, I have capabilities. There's so much I can do. I feel that I have versatility in me, which probably
Versatility,
people are not
exactly.
recognizing. Yeah, recognizing. So I want to give it a time. I said koi to dega chance, koi to samjhega. Even though I did Rowdy Rathore and Reddy, all these films were such nice films where I was not playing negative. None of the films I played any vamp characters, but somewhere TV has a different way of casting. They have different way of looking at different characters and different personalities, and they kind of frame them in a certain category. So that's a drawback in a way. So anyways, God has been kind, so I did get a breakthrough, and
And you
I
did
started doing positive roles.
चंद्रकांता, एक स्टार प्लस पे शो था
Yes.
चंद्रकांता, एंड आफ्टर दैट एक दीवाना था, तो उसमें एज माधवी बेदी. सो ये आपको
Yes.
मूवीज करने में ज्यादा मजा आया या सीरियल्स और उसके टाइम पे फिर रील्स बनाना?
रील्स तो मैंने अभी अभी शुरू किया है क्योंकि I just thought I have to catch up with the
With
trend, so I
time.
just thought let me also do it. I also jumped into the bandwagon.
But they
चलो
are
मैं भी करती
amazing.
हूँ.
Yeah. So
तो बस
किसका
वही है.
एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा बेटर रहा, मूवीज और सीरियल्स?
Actually, movies का experience I can't even explain in words because it was so awesome.
Okay.
जो आप वो अलग ही दुनिया है वहां पे. जो आप एक्टर्स के साथ काम करते हो जब उनके साथ, तो उनका ऑरा ही अलग है. You are in awe of them. They are like, I mean, I think it's a dream for everyone to reach that position.
True.
So for
Very
me, I
true.
look at them in awe. Ki, wow. I mean, what they have that they've reached here, like, it's so
Even I
amazing
want
that
to
their hard
be.
work, whatever has accumulatively helped them to reach there. So it's really commendable. And like, I mean, it's a different feeling, trust me. Baki TV is also great fun because again I said it has given me a platform to do what I wanted to do, to showcase my talent and potential. So that's why I'm enjoying TV also. But only difference is that a major difference is that, okay, TV, our there is long hours of shoot, and we have
True.
hectic
Busy
schedule, and
schedule. Yeah.
in fact erratic schedule, I would say. There's no
Okay.
timing, we have to meet the deadlines. So we have telecast issues, so for that we have to sometimes work day and night also. We hardly get a few hours to sleep, again back to shoot again. You have we are called in the morning, and we are left very late in the evening or late in the night because they have to meet the deadline. So these things are there, but then I've gotten used to it because ultimately it's our work. I mean, I enjoy my work, and I'm grateful to God for whatever this opportunity that he's given me, the roles that I get. So I fall in love. I always fall in love with my roles,
So now you enjoy
every
that
role that
pressure
I have
also.
done. Yeah, so it's fun. Only thing is that as a human being, you feel that your body needs that rest, because
Yeah.
ultimately we are not machines. We also need some rest. But it's just, I think, the pleasure and that
You get
that
out of.
passion that
True.
in us to that drives us to do what we are doing today in TV is not easy actually. And actually nobody understands our job pretty well because they feel कि like how mostly people they go from
पूरा रेडी
8
होकर
to 9.
बैठ के एंड पूरा रोज नए नए कपड़े हैं, रोल्स हैं एंड सब देख रहे हैं टीवी पे, बट दे डोंट नो कि इट टेक्स अ लॉट.
Yeah, because normally people are doing 9 to 6 jobs, तो वो तो बाद
Yeah.
में घर जाते हैं. हमारा तो कोई, हम तो अपना फिक्स ना
कोई
सोने का
time
टाइम
नहीं
बना
है.
सकते हैं, ना कोई और स्केड्यूल बना सकते हैं. And sometimes if even to explain somebody कि नहीं हमें टाइम नहीं मिला, अरे आप लोग करते क्या, आप लोग को तो बीच में बड़ा टाइम मिलता होगा, एक शॉट करके वेट करो. ऐसे 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 कैसा नहीं होता है ना.
Okay.
हम लोग को तो लगातार शूट करना, हम तो हर सीन में रहते हैं, हमको खड़े रहना पड़ता है, कभी बैठ रहे, कभी रिहर्सल कर रहे हैं, फिर टेक दे रहे हैं, फिर क्लोजेस दे रहे हैं, वाइट दे रहे हैं, सबके क्लोजेस में भी हम हमारे सजेशंस लग रहे हैं. तो इट्स नॉट दैट इजी, so finding time in between to kind of adjust something else gets very difficult.
Yeah. So COVID period काफी ज़्यादा टफ रहा पूरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए, and you also became Mrs. India Universe 2020 quarantine queen. So वो period कैसा रहा?
इनिशियली जब फरवरी आई थिंक 18th को हमारा फरवरी 18th को शायद अनाउंस हुआ था कि नहीं अभी देयर इज गोइंग टू बी फ्यू डेज आई मीन देयर बी नो शूट. लॉकडाउन होगा ऐसा नहीं पता था. Few days because of the COVID there'll be no shoot, there'll be an off, so they had the bank with them. Okay. So then I went away to Devlali because I am staying here away from my family, working in Mumbai. So we are from Bombay. We have been staying in Bombay only, but due to my children's education, we moved to Devlali. And my husband, he likes greenery, so that was again the reason why he wanted to move there with the kids, so that they can also understand what greenery is all about, and they can get healthy environment and good education, and
Peace.
And then the schools also have, their infrastructure is so good. They have space there. Here in Bombay, schools don't have proper space for children, and there hardly any much sports or much activities, whereas in smaller town you have more activities for children. They're exposed to so many things, blah blah blah. So there are thousands of reasons for that. So hence for my work I was staying in Mumbai. So I went back and I said chalo kuch din mein apne family ke sath aaram karu. I quickly went back. तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम तो पता चला 22nd से तो लॉकडाउन हो गया. 22nd 21st आई थिंक ऐसे कुछ लॉकडाउन हो गया. देन आई वाज स्टक. तो वहां पे 2-3 महीने जो भी आई वाज देयर, सो आई स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम विद माय फैमिली व्हिच आई अदरवाइज आई हैड मिस्ड डूइंग दैट. And I did a lot of cooking and I learned new things, and it was though very hectic because servants were not coming, so I was literally doing everything, but my husband helped me out.
Okay.
That way. Yeah. Wow. Plus so what was very important for me that I did manage to spend a lot of quality time with my family, which normally I always have I think my children feel deprived of at times. So that was good. Plus then it gave me opportunity to also learn new things. I enrolled in few online courses. Again, it was a new thing for me because online I was not very familiar with online stuff. So I started kind of quietly sitting and looking through, glancing through ki kya hai kya nahi. So then I came across, and these people had approached me for offline the pageant thing. Okay. So I had refused because I said I'm busy. I'm busy with my shoot and all, so it's not possible for me to participate in any pageant. So then they approached me during this lockdown time last year. We are having an online thing, so you don't have to go anywhere. So since you guys are right now, you all have an off, if you can participate. So I said, "Okay, for my self, like just for an experience, let me just participate." And then I participated and
you won.
I won. So It was a good experience. Yeah.
Amazing.
Though it was not easy actually for me because I was hardly carrying any clothes with me. All my clothes were here. Nothing very fancy, basic makeup. Hardly 2-3 things I had, because normally in day-to-day life I normally don't use a lot of makeup. So I had just little bit with me, and everything was lying in Bombay. Oh, thank you. So sweet. So, and plus all my accessories, my jewelry, everything was here. So whatever was there, in fact, I had made a bag of giveaway stuff. So I had to open it. I said, उसमें से देख लेती हूँ भाई कुछ मिल जाए.
Oh.
So plus,
Oh God.
so I used those, and some of the stuff I had kept. So उसमें से use किया. फिर then I became little innovative. कुछ ये कुछ mix and match करके use किया. Plus फिर हाँ शूट करना, खाना भी खुद बनाना पड़ा था, सब कुछ करना पड़ा था. प्लस हमें by 1 o'clock we had to submit our videos also, because they had to see the videos ना, and on that they were marking us. So videos भी खुद बनाना पड़ा है. Plus I started writing some means a script for myself कि मैं क्या बोलूँगी. Otherwise all these things I never indulged in. I never bothered because shoot पे हमें खाली act करना है, हमें दे दिया जाता है, हम पढ़ लेते हैं, हम बोल देते हैं. You know, that was it.
Wow,
And
so
I
you
had
got to learn a
confined
lot of
myself
new
to,
things.
yeah.
And then
So
in
that gave me
2020,
sorry.
and then in 2021, इश्क पर जोर नहीं happened. तो वहाँ पे आज सावित्री मल्होत्रा एक मेल लीड की मदर के रोल में, तो कितना डिफिकल्ट था इस रोल के प्रिपेयर करना, बिकॉज आपके पूरा जो प्रोफाइल अगर हम देखते हैं, सो एंड एज यू सेड कि मेरा पूरा दैट पूरा मॉडल एंड ऑल दैट, बट फिर एक मेल लीड की एक मदर को प्ले करना, सो हाउ डिफिकल्ट दैट वाज.
See, actually, when I did this show called Kaline for ZTV, so Kaline mein also I played Dolly Dingra's character, which was again the main lead's mother. Okay, so that was a first. No, before that I played Bubbly's character in Dil De Ke Dekho. Again, I was playing the main lead's mother. So that was both the times those were girls. Okay. But those things that I mean, that was a comedy show, Dil De Ke Dekho, and the other one was normal जो अपना daily social drama types था. तो उसमें मुझे करने का मौका मिला था. A very emotional, it was a very emotional character, very beautiful character. I still cherish, those moments. All, that particular role I really cherish. मेरा इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. कौन है? दिल्ली से आया. उनको 2 मिनट बोले ना, उनको रोकने को बोलो, रुक जाएंगे, मैं फिनिश करके आता. So I really cherish that role because it gave me firstly it gave me an exposure to do something that I had never done. Okay. It gave me an opportunity. And I also didn't know that, I can play that kind of a character so well. And people really loved it. And that's when my journey started, when people started actually recognizing, okay, she can play a heavy duty character, a very emotional character. उसके पहले तक कॉमेडी भी कर लिया, वो भी पॉजिटिव ही था, बट कॉमेडी एक करना और एकदम हैवी ड्यूटी इमोशनल कैरेक्टर करना वाज थोड़ा डिफरेंट. एंड देन I was doing this show called Ye Jadoo Hai Jinka, where I was playing Tabizi's character. So even during the lockdown, I mean, we were lucky that we could get back to our shoot even during the lockdown, like, after means around the month of June. June? No, yeah, June only we started shooting. So June se we started, na. So June onwards till November we were shooting. Till December we were shooting for Ye Jadoo Hai Jinka. So that's what I'm saying. So all these characters which I played, so people, I mean, even I realized my potential. Plus people also realized my potential that, okay, she can do this, and it was a good opportunity for me. So playing this particular character was, it was not that difficult, but yes, in a sense, it was little challenging for me because again, I had to play somebody who was thoda mentally disturbed, and then, and very highly emotional. It was an emotion, a different level ka emotional character, the one which I was playing for RPZN. तो था, सबका grade अलग है, but in all these roles which I did, it just gave me that kind of opportunity to learn new things and to kind of reinvent myself.
Great. You're also running your own school of acting, which is Jaswinder Gardner School of
Yes.
Acting. So ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया? क्या ऐसा लगा कि शायद मुझे कोई गाइड करने वाला नहीं था, तो maybe I should help others?
Yeah, that is very true. That's the reason I started the school, because I'm actually an emotional person. So when somebody speak about whatever others are going through, like, and I heard a lot of stories about बच्चे जो आते हैं छोटे शहरों से, so most of them they can't make it as an actor, and then what happens ultimately to them, nobody knows. A lot of people, they spoil their life, they go back very disheartened. They always have in their heart कि हमें opportunity मिला, हमें exposure नहीं मिला, हमें hand holding नहीं मिली, हम कुछ लोग बर्बाद हो जाते हैं because then they get into the wrong company, they come across wrong people, so उनकी जिंदगी बर्बाद होती है. कुछ लोग डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, कुछ सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, whose stories are never we never come to know about. And look at the number of families that get totally destroyed in a way. So dreams are destroyed, families are destroyed. So I felt कि नहीं यार, आज God has given me this opportunity, I have reached this level, and I think I should give it back to the society. I should do something for these children, because I'm also from small town. Likewise, there are so many other children who come from small town. They have no idea of how to go about coming here and looking for right people. And what happens, even though you come and do a course, समझो कि आपने आके कोर्स कर भी लिया, उसके बाद क्या, कभी उसके बाद भी बहुत लोगों को गाइडेंस नहीं मिल पाती है. आप जाते हो, ऑडिशन देते हो, ऑडिशन पे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो कोई आपको नहीं बताता कि कहाँ आप गलत हो. आपने ऑडिशन दिया, आप में क्या कमी है. Somewhere they are not very well groomed. Sometimes they need some more polishing in their skills. Sometimes they're emotionally not that stable. They're not very strong to face the challenges and still stay positive, because staying positive is very important when you're going through these kind of struggles. Staying positive and somebody to tell you that nay, you can do it, somebody having a faith in you, having believing you, is very important. So that's when they don't get that kind of support. So these things does matter for a person to be successful. All these things matter. We can't say कि नहीं खाली कोर्स कर लो आप एक्टर बन जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
I really appreciate this idea of yours. It's amazing.
So that's the reason I started this, and the fundamental course, which on the training on which this whole entire my curriculum is based, is mind training. Because see, a lot of people, even after becoming successful actors, say, giving an example of Sushant Singh, what happened to him? He ultimately committed suicide. So why these things happen? Somewhere they're mentally and emotionally, the EQ and IQ is not, and I won't say IQ, the
there's
EQ
some kind
is
of
not
imbalance.
an SQ. SQ and EQ is not balanced. So what happens? So how do they keep it balanced? There has to be somewhere they need to get trained. So in fact, you won't believe, this lockdown period has been a blessing in disguise for me, because I did so much of training. I learned all those things which I wanted to learn, and I wanted to learn for myself and teach others. So that's why I did emotional training course, and I did mind training, and I'm a certified mind trainer. I did so many related courses so that I know how to overcome these things and how I can help others. That's when I decided to start the school, where the fundamental training will be of mind, and related to that we will be training you about acting. Related to that we will be training you other things. Will groom you as an actor, because you should be presentable, you should know how to talk, you should know how to behave, because a lot of actors, they come on set, they are not well behaved. There's so many things that come into place, so many factors. So that's what I want to teach them, everything, because I want ultimately सबको खुश रहना है, सबको successful होना चाहिए. Success doesn't mean कि once you achieve a position of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan or Shah Rukh Khan, then only you're successful. No, you are successful. I mean,
when you're happy and satisfied with your own work.
Sorry?
When you're happy and satisfied with your own work.
Yes. So if you have a certain dream, probably they had that dream. So okay, wherever, whatever is your dream, obviously you can keep raising your bar in time, but at least reaching that position that you can look back and say, Arey, I have come so far and I'm able to help somebody else. I think that is being successful. Okay, so that's the reason I said ki nahi yaar, I think every person born on this planet deserves to be successful and happy.
Mom,
So
just a
that's the
second.
reason.
Also, you have been doing some creative stuff. Like I saw your video, you were making some turtle stuffed toy. Who taught you that?
Oh no, actually, I was helping my son make his project.
Wow. That was so sweet, but it was amazing. Okay, also you had run a campaign which was a Save Water campaign, right?
Yes.
So what was the idea behind it?
Actually, last year again, what I observed that now suddenly everybody's become very, hygiene conscious, and they are going and washing their hands 20, 50 times in a day. One family has 10 people, maybe 4 people or 5 people in the family. दिन भर ऐसे ऐसे हाथ धोते रहेंगे. And these guys who were teaching, who was actually made those videos to teach people how they can wash their hands effectively, so that there's no virus or germs on their hands to safeguard from corona virus. So what they were doing, they were not realizing that they are leaving the tap on, and they are actually giving a message to the people कि आप tap खोल के बस ऐसे से करते रहो 5 मिनट 10 मिनट. अरे भैया उतने में तो हमारे देश में पानी खत्म हो जाएगा. हाँ, यहाँ पे कितनी जगह पे तो पानी भी नहीं मिलता है. So people walk up to kilometers to get one bucket of water. So it is not feasible for us to give them some, because people, they have the herd mentality, जो सब कर रहे हैं वही करना है. तो वो अपना थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना चाहिए. तो इसलिए मैं सोचा कि हम भी एक वीडियो बना दे कि भाई इसमें आप सेव करो वाटर, सेम टू सेम मत करो. They have plenty of water there, so they don't care कितना waste हो रहा है.
That was something out of the box. Wow, amazing. So आने वाला अब जो टाइम है उसमें आप किस तरह के रोल्स करती नजर आएंगी और क्या क्या अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं?
अभी फिलहाल तो the thing is that I cannot take multiple projects, because when you're doing a TV show, you're committed to a show, and then you've signed a contract and everything. तो अभी तक तो मैं यही कर रही हूँ. There are offers that keep coming, which I have to turn them down because I can't do anything else. But yes, in between अगर कुछ ऐसा कुछ आता है ना, I'm able to manage some time, then I would love to do a web series, because I did Chhatrasal also, the web series that's on on MX Player. So one of the very well-known web series. So I played Chhatrasal's mother in that. So similarly, I want to do something very concrete, for a web series also. So let's see. कुछ ऐसा अच्छा आता है, and I'm able to spare some time, I would love to do it. And then I'm also looking at doing something like, what I feel I want to do is like to play a protagonist where, I can have the show on my shoulder. So I want to now, I think I'm ready to take that responsibility.
An all-rounder you are.
And I want to go Punjab. I want to also do Punjabi films. Yeah.
Wow,
really
are you serious? So next time whenever you're coming to Punjab, you have to visit. Wow.
Yes, sure.
Amazing. So any message you would like to give to the viewers?
I would like to say that, we always get bogged down by a lot of challenges in life, and nobody's life is perfect, but what keeps us going is our faith. So always have faith, believe in yourself, never think that you're less than anybody, because God has given potential to each one of us, and we are heavily loaded with a lot of talents and giftings, and use it. And never get envious of anybody, because their success, their journey, it's theirs, and always bless them, because what you give out comes back to you. So always think good for people, bless them, and you will see abundance in your life.
Wow, what a great message that was. So it was really amazing having you here. Abhi to Zoom pe, but in future we'll be in front. I mean, yeah, I'll see that again. So yeah, that was an amazing
Thank you so much.
message, and it was great having you on the show, ma'am. Thank you so much for sparing your time,
Pleasure, pleasure.
and I hope you enjoyed
Same
the
here. It was a
conversation.
pleasure to talk to you. Yes, you're so beautiful. You're so
Thank
soft
you.
spoken. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You too.
So,
You're very beautiful.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care.